Okay, a look at the Webcor record changer back together again, and it bears looking at now that the underside of the tone arm components are back in. The first thing that you have is the weight for the trip arm, and then the trip arm here, and there's a felt washer here. As I say, there's no lubrication here. This just keeps a bare amount of friction on it so that it allows this arm to travel unimpeded. And then when it gets to the end, you can see the little arm moves inwards, and it contacts a little tab right down in there, dink, like that little hanging down tab under the gear, and that's the trip, and that engages the cam to start the mechanism going. Now, here's that set screw. As I say, first, when we go back, you have the weight, then you have the trip arm, then you have the indexing assembly that has the lock screw, that Bristol screw with a weird opening on it. This screw goes into the shaft, and there is a little hole in the shaft so that you have to put it in the right area. Underneath there this is the lifting cam. Under here, these are the lifting arms. When it's going through the cycle, this lifts this part up to push the arm up in the air to get it up off the post and to provide proper clearance. This is the switch here, the little white tab. I have the cover off so you can see how it works. You can see that the part of the indexing arm also is the switch. See, that's a switch actuator. So when it's on the rest, it keeps it off, and when it's on, when you pull the arm away, it automatically turns the machine on. The power goes on. The same thing also happens when you press the reject button down here. When you press the reject, it also pulls the switch away to start it that way also. So you can start it two ways, either by pressing the reject button or just simply by moving the arm. Nice design. And as I say, that's it. It's all repaired, and the next video will be it running.